What's up, guys? So I'm back with another video, and what is happening to my computer right now? What's up, guys? So I'm back with another video, and I am here today to help you glasses wearers. Glass wearers? You know what I mean. I'm here to help you guys, and I'm going to show you how to get this glasses makeup. It could be worn without glasses, it doesn't really matter, but I think this looks good with glasses because I feel like it brightens your eye a little bit, and you know, the wing like elongates them. I like it. So I am working with the company Firmoo again. I've worked with them before. This isn't sponsored, they just sent me a pair of glasses. But I'm working with Firmoo again. If you haven't seen my first video on them, I'll have it linked down below, as well as my eyebrow routine, because I didn't do that on camera. But basically the glasses came in this pouch. My first pair of glasses came in this pouch. So I'm not sure if like they changed the packaging or what, but I honestly like the first packaging better. I think it might vary based on what glasses you get, to be honest. I'm not sure though, but I'm not gonna complain because it's just a set. Like, as long as the glasses are good, I'm good. And I still really love these glasses. I think they're really cute. I'm not going to talk about the company too much because I did make a separate video on that, but make sure you guys go check them out. I'll have the link down below. And yeah, if you'd like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So as always, I'm going to prime my eyes using the Essence I Heart Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Primer. Or eyeshadow base, same thing. And I'm just going to blend that out using my finger, like always. Now going into my Lorac Pro palette, I'm going to go in with the color Dark Brown. This one. Wait, no, it's black. This color. I'm just going to put that in the crease. Okay, so now going in with Terracotta, which is this color. I'm just gonna use that color to blend the brown a little better. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with dark brown, and I'm going to put that on the outer V of my eye, and then just blend it out so it blends with the crease. You could probably do this step all in one. I'm kind of just winging it, so yeah. You just put it into the crease the first time, and it'll be a lot easier. I mean, put it in the outer V the first time. Let me know if you guys like if I do like voiceovers over like actually talking in the video, or if you prefer like, yeah, voiceovers. And also if you prefer like a full face versus like just eyes. Only reason why I've been doing just eyes is because, I'll be honest with you guys, I have not been putting on a full face of makeup. I haven't worn foundation in a really long time. So I've kind of just been putting concealer on because I'm too lazy to put on foundation. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a teeny bit of jet black, which is clearly this black, and I'm going to darken up the outer V a little bit, just a little bit. A little bit of black goes a very long way. Look at it, I literally barely tapped into it. Pigment come through. And when you're holding your brush, make sure to hold it like at the end and not all the way up here, like a pencil. Okay, now I'm going back in with that fluffy brush. Just blending it. There's nothing on it though. Just blending the black. Now I'm going in with some Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm kind of doing like a half cut crease, but not really. Like, I'm not worrying about like the sharpness. I kind of just want this inner corner to be more of a blank canvas because it does have like some brown eyeshadow on it. So I'm not really doing like a half cut crease. I'm kind of just putting concealer on the area where the eyeshadow is gonna go. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the color Light Pewter and just put that exactly where I put the concealer. And I'm also gonna spray my brush with some rose water so I can intensify the color a little bit. Now going back in with the fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend in between so it's seamless. Now going in with Kat Von D tattoo liner in the color Trooper, I'm just gonna make a small wing. Hopefully, you never know, might become big. I haven't done a wing in a really long time, so bear with me. That was the fastest I've ever done a winged eyeliner. Like, literally, this is only filming for 2 minutes. On both eyes, I did wings in 2 minutes. They're a little uneven, but that's because my eyes are different shapes. So it's kind of hard. But you know what? So now I'm just going to pop on some mascara, and I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous False Fiber Lashes. This has become my favorite mascara ever. It makes my eyelashes so long. And they're already long, so I'm not gonna put on falsies or anything because this is for glasses. So I don't know about anybody else, but when I wear falsies with glasses, the eyelashes just like hit the glass. Okay, so now I'm just going to do my eyebrows off camera. I have a video on how I do my eyebrows, so if you haven't watched that, go ahead and click the link down below. I'll have it down below and maybe somewhere on the screen. But yeah, if you haven't seen how I do my eyebrows, I'll have it linked down below. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm not a big fan of wearing foundation, and I'm going to be going to the gym soon anyway. But you know, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put on foundation. So I'm using the OG, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 3/10 and beige. I don't even know if this is still my skin color, to be honest, but we'll see. And also, I'm not going to put much of this on my nose because when I wear glasses, it usually comes off on my nose. So, because like it sits on your nose clearly. So like it takes the foundation off. So I'm not gonna put much on my nose. I am gonna put some because my nose is red compared to my face, like around here. That's the case for a lot of females. So yeah. I also don't like this foundation as much anymore, only because I have to pour it on my hand. Like, that's hella annoying, and I really don't want to do that. But guess we have to. Okay, now going in again with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm using the color medium. This is a little too light for me, but I don't really care. I'm still gonna use it. Okay, so if you're like an OG subscriber, like 2 years ago when I first started, you know I used to cream contour. Like, that was my thing. But I switched sides. I find that powder contouring is like way easier. It's not as much blending. And it's just faster. So like, this is good for like if you're working or something and you're on a rush to get to work. So this is the Aesthetica Cosmetics Contour Kit. I'm pretty sure you can get this on Amazon. I don't know where else they sell it, but so I'm gonna use this shade to contour, and this shade, this is like a banana powder, so I'm using that to highlight and set my under eyes. And I don't contour like a lot because I already have pretty not defined cheekbones, but like I feel like I have like a natural kind of contour, so I don't want to like overdo it and then look like a fool, you know? I use this the same way I would use like a loose powder. You also want to make sure you set like your nose so that the whatchamacallit doesn't come off. The foundation doesn't come off as easy, like around your nose. Now I'm gonna wipe it off using the e.l.f. complexion brush. Now for lips, I feel like this is a very versatile look, so you could switch up any lip color. I'm probably just gonna wear like a lip gloss because I don't know, I've been really into using the Fenty lip gloss and then like this one from Kiko Milano where it has like sparkles in it. Those are my top 2 lip glosses at the moment. So I'm probably just gonna go to one of those because I don't feel like doing anything extravagant because I'm gonna be taking it off anyway. You could switch up whatever lip you want. So okay, so the final step is to pop on the glasses though. Ready? And boom. These are a little bit dirty, but I don't feel like cleaning them right now. I love these frames. Oh wait, that's not the last step. Girl, what is you doing? How you just gonna forget to highlight? I'm using the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. Your girl tripping. She thought this was talking about no highlight. I'm not gonna do anything like too extra. Only cause I don't feel like being that extra today. I'm in my workout clothes right now. Like, the extraness, it's not there. Okay, so now the last step is to pop on the glasses. You feel me? Only thing that sucks is that you guys can see like the reflection from my ring light, so sorry about that. Can't really like tell. Maybe if I turn this off, let's see. It's hella dark. Okay, so you could kind of see, but it's a little dark, so I don't know. So this is the look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it some sort of helpful. I am a glasses wearer, so I understand the struggle. I mean, I don't wear my glasses most of the time anyway, because I hate wearing glasses. But when your glasses are this cute, like, I would not mind wearing them. Like, hello, who's this? New glasses, who this? So make sure you guys go check out Firmoo. I'll have the link down below. I made a review on them before, so if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. I like this company for glasses. Like, they're really cute glasses, inexpensive, and you could get your prescription in it. So make sure to click the link in the description box so you can go check them out. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is usually every Wednesday and Saturday, but school started, so my schedule is a little out of whack right now, and my computer has been acting up, so that's why I haven't been posting as often. But yes, anyway, bye guys.